Cast on the number of the stitches, multiply to 5 plus 3 stitches for symmetry and 2 selvages. Work a ribbing one by one. The first foundation row, 3 purl and 2 knit stitches. Alternate in this way till the end of the row. The second foundation row, work all knit stitches. The third and the fourth foundation rows work as the first and the second rows. The first row, 3 purl stitches. Go down with 3 rows and pull the loop. Two knit stitches and again go down with 3 rows and pull the loop. Further repeat from the beginning. The second row, work all purl stitches. And the extended loops simply slip. The third row, 3 purl stitches. The next 4 stitches work together as a knit stitch without slipping it. And work one more time through the front loop and then slip it. Further repeat from the beginning of the row. The fourth row, work all purl stitches. Further repeat from the first to the fourth row.